Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6 Pro and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. So all we have to do is to tap on the three bars icon in the right upper corner, and here we've got the timer on the second bar. So we've got off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. I'll choose 10 seconds delay, so just tap on it. As you can see right now the timer is also visible in the shutter button. So let's simply tap on it, and from now on our device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, we can turn it off the same way, so just tap on the three bars icon, tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Here we had the countdown, which is connected with the night light, I believe. After turning it off, just by tapping on this icon here, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.